everyone, welcome to ForB's English lesson video. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to work on pronunciation. And for our pronunciation lesson, we're going to practice this famous store's name. Do you know how we should say this name? Oh, did you say IKEA? Actually, if you said that to any American or British or Australian person, they wouldn't know what you meant. Instead of that, in English, we pronounce this as IKEA. So we're going to start with an I sound. So for the I sound, notice our mouth is pretty open. I, just like our eye in our head. Tongue a little bit up in our mouth. I. Please repeat after me. I. 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 For our middle sound, key, we'll start with that hard K sound and then switch to an E. Key. Just like the key to open a door. Key. Key. Repeat after me. Key, key, key. And we'll finish with a simple ah, ah. Again, mouth is open, pretty relaxed sound. Ah. Repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, let's link those three sounds together. IKEA. IKEA, IKEA, IKEA. Please be careful, stress is on the middle syllable, so the key has to be a little stronger. IKEA, IKEA. Repeat after me. IKEA, IKEA. Got it? 3 times. IKEA, IKEA, IKEA. Okay, very good. So, the next time you want to buy furniture or maybe some decorations for your house, now you know what to say to any American or British friends you might have. You can say, let's go to IKEA. Okay, thanks very much. I hope you found this lesson useful. Remember, please check out our channel. You can see many other English videos there. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.